The Honeywell True HEPA air purifier with allergen remover is perfect for room sizes up to 155 square feet. The HEPA filtration of this unit helps capture up to 99.97% of microscopic airborne allergens and particles, such as dust, pollen, pet dander, dust mite debris, and smoke. The A+ Genuine Pre-Filter is the first level of filtration and helps to capture larger particles while reducing odors and VOCs. On the top of the unit, you'll find the control panel featuring a turn dial with 3 air cleaning levels to choose from and a filter indicator light with reset buttons. This unit is independently tested and AHAM verified to circulate and filter room air up to 4.8 times per hour in a 155 square foot room and is ENERGY STAR certified. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.